Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize hot trends with Clickbank affiliate marketing. I will show you how to find those hot trends, I will show you how to find products related to that trend, and I will show you 2 instant free traffic sources that you can use to promote those products and potentially get thousands of eyes on that product. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start.
First thing you need to do, you need to find hot trending topics. And why you need to do that? Because trending topics are huge generators of sales. We all remember when Adele lost her weight. People made fortune by selling weight loss products thanks to Adele. And that is why you should always follow trends because, like I said, they are huge generators of sales. But how do we find hot trending topics? For that, we are going to use Google Trends. And Google Trends is free to use. And here you can see, when we scroll here, for example, we can see that currently hot topic is US election 2020. And let's just click on it. And when we scroll here, we can see that when it comes to US presidential elections, 48% of people search for Joe Biden on Google and 47% search for Donald Trump on Google. And we know that Donald Trump is always a hot and trendy topic. Plus we know that Donald Trump supporters are really loyal. So let's just click on Donald Trump to get more information. And here we can see that Donald Trump is pretty much stable trend, and we actually expected that. And here you can see in which states Donald Trump is most searched. Pennsylvania, Michigan, New Jersey, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. And here you can see related topics and related queries. And here you can see that 50 Cent supported Donald Trump and Ice Cube supported Donald Trump. So those are two really hot topics, and you should actually write that down because you are going to need that later. So we found our hot topic, we found our trend, and that is Donald Trump. And now we need to find Trump-related products that we are going to promote. And for that, we are going to use Clickbank. And here in search bar, just type Trump. And click search. And here we can see Trump-related products. Trump coin, $6.48. Trump 2020 products, $3. And here you can see Trump 2020 gold-plated coin, $16.54. Good gravity, $55.90, which means 56 people sold this in past 30 days, plus they have affiliate page. So let's just click on their affiliate page. And here you can see how this coin looks. And here you can see overview. As you can see, over 62 million Americans voted for Trump 2016. And here you can see funnel details. As you can see here, conversion rate is between 5 and 10%. Now this is really important. 4 different order bumps, 3 different upsells, which means you can make more money, way more money than 1654 that claims here on Clickbank. Because like you see, as you can see here, average commission per customer is $20. Refund rate is 328%. And here you can see how this actually works. As you can see, free plus shipping or full price. And here you can see some promotional material. And this is how their homepage looks. As you can see, $39. And this is obviously a free plus shipping page. And here you can see more details. As you can see, it's 1.5 inch in diameter, 1/8 of the inch is thick, 60-day money back, they accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, PayPal. And here you can see some testimonials of people who actually purchased this coin. Now we have our hot topic and we have our product, and now we need to promote that product. And there are 2 great sources of instant traffic. First one is Facebook. When you come here on Facebook, here in search bar, just type Donald Trump and click search, and then click on groups and join all of these Donald Trump related groups. For example, this one, God bless Donald Trump, 46,000 members, 1,500 posts per day. And when you scroll here, for example, let's just find more groups. This group, for example, has 124,000 members, 17,000 posts per day. I mean, this is a huge potential. And let's just open this group just to show you how much potential this group have. And this is a public group, which means everybody can see your post in this group. So let me just scroll through this group just to find some posts. As you can see here, this post was made just 5 hours ago and it already have 835 likes, 620 comments. Let's just scroll to find more posts. Let's just more. This post was made 6 hours ago, 661 likes, 378 comments, 210 shares. And this website probably got thousands and thousands of visits just from this one post and just from this one group. I mean, imagine potential if you advertise your coin, your Trump coin, in this group. So Facebook groups are first source of free Clickbank traffic. Another source is Reddit. Again, here in search bar, just type Donald Trump and click search. And then click here on view more. And here you can see all Donald Trump related subreddits. And let's just open this first one for this example. As you can see, they do allow links. And as you can see here, this subreddit has 36,000 members and there is currently 1,200 people online. 1,200 people is currently on this subreddit. But before you make post, you should read rules. Just scroll down to the bottom in this case. Let me just scroll. And here you can see rules. Read the rules before you make post, otherwise your post will be deleted and you will be marked as spammer. I love Reddit, I use Reddit to drive traffic to my websites. And with the right post on subreddit like this, you can get 5,000, maybe even 10,000 visits to your website totally free. Just imagine if you advertise Trump coin on your website and you get 5,000 visits. Imagine the potential. This is really important. In 95% of subreddits and Facebook groups, you cannot share affiliate links. So you will actually need to write an article on your blog. And to find interesting ideas for your article, you can go through these subreddits and also you can go through Facebook groups. As you can see, this is obviously interesting topic and you should write an article about this and share that article in other Donald Trump related groups. So how do you promote Donald Trump coin on your website? You can do what I did in this article, for example. You publish your article and then in the middle of that article you can actually add your Clickbank banner just like I did here. And also you can add your Clickbank affiliate banner on the bottom just like I did here. And also you can add that Clickbank affiliate banner here in sidebar just like I did here. And you can make those banners really easy in just 5 or 10 minutes in Canva. Or you can post text ads in the middle of your article just like Google is doing. And we saw with an interesting article, you can drive Clickbank free traffic, you can get thousands and thousands of visits totally free from Facebook group and Reddit subreddits to your website. And we know that Donald Trump supporters are really passionate and we know that they will buy this thing, they will buy this coin, especially if he wins again and get another term. So this is how you do Clickbank affiliate marketing with trending topics.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.